Hey there! Today, I'm sharing something a little different. We're diving into a bash script that creates a menu for running map scans, a super handy tool for quick security checks. Plus, I'll talk about a shift in my journey and how ADHD plays into it. Let's get started by creating a bash menu for Nmap. This is a great way to save time and make your scans more accessible. We're starting with a simple menu layout. The while true loop ensures the menu keeps running until you exit. Each option will correspond to a specific Nmap command. Here's the logic for each option. For example, option 1 runs a quick scan, T4F, which is great for spotting active services fast. Option 2 scans all ports, P, and option 3 is an aggressive scan, A, for more detailed information. Now, let's talk about why I'm stepping away from sysadmin projects for a bit. If you've followed me, you know I love scripting and security tools. But lately, my brain's been craving something new, game development. For someone like me with ADHD, interests can shift dramatically. It's not about laziness or lack of focus. It's how the ADHD brain works. It thrives on novelty and rewards. Right now, game dev feels like a fresh challenge, and I want to embrace that. Here's the thing, forcing myself to stick with one interest for too long risks burnout. But I know my love for sysadmin and scripting will come back. That's why I'm taking this break. To keep my passion alive and to return stronger. If you're like me, remember that stepping away doesn't mean failure. It's about honoring your brain's needs and allowing yourself to grow in different directions. Once you save the script, give it execution permissions with chmod plus x filename.sh. Then, run it and test the options to see the scans in action. Super easy and effective. Thanks for watching. Whether you came here for the bash menu tutorial or this personal insight, I hope you found it helpful. I'll be sharing more content, sysadmin tools when inspiration strikes, and maybe even game dev as I explore that world. Let me know in the comments if this resonates with you, or if you want to see my game dev journey too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated.